what's up? So today it's snowing. Hang on, I'm showing you our snow of New Jersey. It just started snowing about 20 minutes ago. Today's December 9th snow. I'm gonna record a few parts for you. Our snowstorm. I'm gonna show you my shovel. This is from Canada. I have a new one. I'll show that and I think in part 2 I'll show it. It just starts snowing. You guys look. I gotta get my new shovel. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna get my new shovel. There. Got my new shovel from Canada. I was showing I made a video that's 19 minutes and 32 seconds of stuff that my father got me from Canada. And guess what? It's in this video. If you guys want to watch it, just have to go back into my videos. Like in November, I think I did. I think I uploaded it November 8th, I think. Yeah, that's when I uploaded it. Snow's pretty nice. I have snow all over my jacket. So right now I'm just not really gonna stay out. I'm gonna just once I stop recording, I'm gonna go in. Once the snow is like the white is on the ground, it just starts snowing. Yeah. Just starts snowing and I'm just gonna wait until later because later the ground's gonna be white. It's snowed a little bit earlier than I thought. Like 40 minutes earlier, so it's pretty cool. Our Christmas decorations have snow on it. I'll show you our Christmas decorations with snow on it. See, here it is. I also showed a video of showing all our Christmas decorations. The Santa Claus. There it is. It's covered in snow. You guys can see. There it all is. So that's all our Christmas decorations. The snow looks kind of different on camera, really. It really looks a lot cooler, but when I make the camera, it looks a lot of like it looks more like snow. When you like make the camera a little bit closer, I made it a little bit, so you can see all the way down a little bit easier. So that's the full video. So bye.